Hi, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you're watching from. Welcome to Divinely Classic. And this is the answer session to the quiz session that I did earlier. So, as you know, this is a month of learning new things, gaining new knowledge, just stimulating your brain to learn more. And we're doing different quizzes every other day, every 2 days if I can. So, today's quiz, I put the question earlier on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. So the first question was, how many major organ systems do we have? And the answer to that is we have 11. And the 11 organ system, the first one is the circulatory system, which is also called the cardiovascular system, which comprises of our heart, our blood vessels. And the second one is the lymphatic system. The third one is the respiratory system. The fourth one is the integumentary system. The fifth one is skeletal. 6 is muscular. 7 is nervous. 8 is digestive. 9 is endocrine. 10 is reproduction or reproductive system. And 11 is urinary system. So in answer to question 1, we have 11 major organ system. And question 2 is, what is the lymphatic system? What does it do in the body? We know that all the organs, they work together to make our body function daily. So the function of the lymphatic system is that it manages fluid level, and it's a network of delicate tubes that are connected around the body that drain fluids from the blood vessels into tissue. So the fluids that are leaking from the blood vessels into tissue, this tube drains them back into the blood vessel to reduce the risk of edema. Remember, in our last quiz, we talked about what was edema, and edema is the accumulation of excess fluid in tissue. So it's also edema is also a dysfunction of the lymph node, and sometimes the lymph node do get overpowered, especially when the heart is not functioning properly, and then the fluids begin to accumulate in different sites, especially in the peripheral part of the body, the legs, and all that. So that is what the lymphatic system does. And it also has special white cells called lymphocytes. And this lymphocyte, they release antibodies in response to different infection. It could be viral, it could be bacteria. So the lymphatic system is a very important part of our body system. And it's important that it is functioning properly. And this function is done by the lymph nodes around the body. So these fluids that are drained back into the bloodstream, they are done by the lymph node, and it's the lymph node that connects, we define it as a network of delicate tube. It's that lymph node that connects the tissue to other areas where this fluid can go back into the bloodstream. So the third question is, what is endocrine, or what is the endocrine system? So the endocrine, again, is a network of glands and organs which is responsible for the regulation of the body through hormone production. You might say, oh, what kind of hormone are we talking about? We have different hormones that our body produces. A good example is the insulin that is used to regulate our blood pressure. So what the endocrine system does, it makes and it releases hormones that travel in the bloodstream to control actions of other cells and other organs. Like we said earlier, the pancreas is the site or the organ that produces insulin in response to maintaining our blood sugar. That's just a perfect example. We have other sites, glands that produces different hormone. We have the hypothalamus gland, we have the pituitary gland, and the pineal gland. These are in the brain. And then we have other glands like thyroid, the parathyroid in the neck. These all produces different types of hormone in response to our body. So the adrenal gland, the pancreas, produces insulin. Like we said earlier, we have the thymus gland in the lung, which produces another type of hormone. So yeah, that is the work of the endocrine. Just to recap, endocrine is a network of glands and organs which regulates the body through hormone production. And the last question and the last answer to the question is, what is the integumentary system? So the integumentary system is the largest organ in the body. So the organ is the largest, and it consists of our skin, our nails, our hair, And what they do is that they act as a physical barrier from bacteria. So it's basically the external environment. This is the protection between our internal organs and the external environment. So you can see my face, my skin, my nail gland is just protecting my tissues, protecting my body from external environment. Like the if the weather is too hot, it's the skin that will kind of regulate it so that we don't feel that direct heat in our system. So that's what the integumentary system does, consist of the skin, the nails, the hair, and the gland. Is also part of the immune system. It helps to maintain as an immune response. So that is the answer. It also regulates temperature as well. So that is the answer to the quiz. I hope you enjoyed it. I don't want the video to be too long. Going just a quick recap, we have 11 major organ system. The second question, lymphatic system is a network of tubes, delicate tubes that manage fluid levels in the body. They drain fluid that has been leaked from the blood vessel back into the bloodstream through the lymph node. And then endocrine is a network of glands and organs responsible for hormone production. And lastly, the integumentary system consists of our nail, our skin, our hand, our hair, which acts as a physical barrier against external environments. So it's protecting our internal organs against external environments. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly share. I just want to say thank you to our new subscriber. We do have a lot of new people on Instagram, new people on YouTube coming up now. I'm really wondering, where are they coming from? So I say thank you. Please continue to share. And if you like our content, we also share food content. We also have a handle where we sell clothes, Divinely Classic Shop. So let me know which of our content you prefer, and I'll post more of that. But I'm still going to post my shop because that's where I sell my stuff. And this that I'm wearing is actually a part of our product, Divinely Classic. We sell track suits, we sell jumper like this, good quality, like top quality track suits and jumper and sportswear. Anyway, check out all our social media handles, and I hope you have a good day. Bye.